Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2026, and we're diving into Gentex's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Gentex, a leader in digital vision and connected car technologies, has just released their financial results. Joining us today is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Gentex has had an interesting year, and I'm excited to break down their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Gentex reported consolidated net sales of $644.4 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, which is a 19% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The significant increase in net sales is largely attributed to the acquisition of Vox, which contributed $103.4 million in revenue. Additionally, despite a 2% decline in light vehicle production in their primary markets, Gentex's core revenue remained flat, showcasing their resilience and market outperformance.
And how about their profitability?
Gentex achieved a consolidated gross margin of 34.8%, up from 32.5% last year. This improvement is due to favorable product mix and operational efficiencies. Their net income for the quarter was $93 million, with an EPS of $0.43, meeting analyst expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Gentex has also made strides in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their cost management strategies?
Absolutely. Gentex's operating expenses increased to $104.4 million, primarily due to the Vox acquisition. However, core Gentex expenses actually decreased thanks to cost-cutting measures like early retirement programs and reduced third-party spending. This has positioned them well for future growth.
Looking ahead, what does Gentex's guidance tell us about their expectations for 2026?
Gentex is projecting revenue between $2.60 and $2.70 billion for 2026, with a gross margin of 34% to 35%. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued market outperformance and the successful integration of Vox.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, let's talk about Gentex's strategic initiatives. How has the Vox acquisition impacted their market position?
The Vox acquisition has been a game-changer for Gentex, contributing $267.2 million in revenue for 2025. It has allowed them to align product strategies and pursue operational synergies, strengthening their market position.
And what about their product innovation?
Gentex is focusing on innovation to drive growth. They've launched new driver monitoring systems and full display mirrors, which are expected to enhance their competitive edge. Their commitment to innovation is evident in their strategic investments and product development efforts.
CEO insights and market challenges. Steve Downing, Gentex's CEO, provided some insights into their performance and challenges. What were his key points?
CEO Steve Downing highlighted their focus on growth and profitability despite facing market challenges like tariffs and cost inflation. He emphasized their ability to offset a 29% sales decline in China with increased sales in other primary markets, showcasing their adaptability and strategic focus.
How is Gentex planning to navigate these challenges moving forward?
Gentex is leveraging their core competencies to drive above-market growth through innovation. They're committed to cost alignment and launching new products to maintain their competitive advantage in a dynamic market environment.